Hey there. What if I told you that making a staggering 28K in the next 30 days was possible? Yeah, you heard that right. And all you need is 27 minutes to set this up. I know it sounds insane. It's a colossal goal that needs some serious grind, but it's not unreachable. You know, some people just wish for wealth to fall into their laps without lifting a finger. But we're not about that, right? Even if you don't have a list, no website, and no previous experience, you can make this happen. So buckle up and get ready, because this is a wild ride you don't want to miss. John has pulled out all the stops for his latest presentation. It's jam-packed with fresh, innovative content that will rock your world. It's not just another training session, it's a game changer. And guess what? This training is free to attend. Imagine turning your online business around in under 5 minutes, breaking free from the status quo, and propelling towards success. Tempted? I bet you are. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description, and let's make this happen.